Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a close look at a brand new modification that is going to completely change how you interact with your device's status bar. We are talking about the Better QS module. Now, before we dive in, I need to make sure you are aware of two very important things. First, this is strictly for devices running Android 16. If you're on an older version of Android, this will not work. Second, this is currently in an experimental beta phase. That means while it is incredibly cool, you might run into the occasional bug, so proceed with that in mind. Alright, let's get started. You should already have the module zip file downloaded on your phone. Go ahead and open up your file manager and navigate to your download folder. You are looking for the Better QS zip file. It is always good practice to double-check that you have the correct file size and that the name matches the latest beta release. This ensures you aren't installing a corrupted file or an outdated version that might cause compatibility issues with the latest Android 16 patches. Once you have verified the file, go ahead and launch your Magisk app. If you are using KernelSU, the steps are virtually the same. Tap on the Modules tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, tap on the button that says Install from Storage. Navigate through your internal storage to where you saved the Better QS file and select it. The flashing terminal will open up and you will see the installation script warning. It is a system UI mod, so it installs very quickly. Now that the flashing process says Done, go ahead and tap the blue Reboot button in the bottom corner. While the device is restarting, just a quick reminder that modifying the system UI is one of the more advanced tweaks you can do. The first boot after installing a module like this might take just a few seconds longer than usual as the system rebuilds its cache, so don't panic if the boot animation spins for a moment longer than you're used to. Just sit tight and let Android do its thing. Alright, we are booted back up. Let's unlock the phone and see what has changed. Go ahead and swipe down from the top of your screen. You will immediately notice that the standard notification shade is gone. Instead, the module has forced the tablet mode interface onto your phone. This enables split notifications. As you can see, the layout is now divided. You typically get your notifications on one side and your quick settings tiles on the other. Or they interact independently rather than being one long, cluttered list. It gives your phone a much more sophisticated, tablet-like feel and makes managing your toggles and alerts significantly faster. It looks incredibly clean and takes full advantage of the Android 16 UI updates. Since this is an experimental beta, the developer is looking for feedback, so if you notice any glitches, make sure to report them. It's a simple mod, but it makes a massive visual difference. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Android 16 mods, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.